If you're over 60, 70, or even 80, and you think it's too late to rebuild muscle, think again. Because science proves your body still has the power to grow stronger, leaner, and more active no matter your age. And today, I'm showing you 3 simple, science-backed exercises that are clinically proven to reverse muscle loss, boost energy, and bring back your strength without needing a gym. Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to learn could truly change your life. First up, squats. Let's start with squats, known as the king of functional strength, especially as we age. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that regular squatting increased leg muscle mass, improved balance, and even reduced the risk of falls in adults over 65. As we get older, leg muscles shrink faster than any other part of the body, especially the quads and glutes. Squats target these exact muscles, triggering muscle protein synthesis and enhancing mobility. Squats rebuild your thigh and glute muscles, improve posture and joint stability, boost metabolism by burning fat, and make daily movements like standing up or climbing stairs much easier and safer. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted and back straight. Lower down as if you're sitting on a chair. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you push back up. Go as low as your knees allow. Pain-free range is key. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest for 30 to 45 seconds between sets. Next up, push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do the floor version. Even wall or incline push-ups give powerful benefits. A recent study in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine showed that older adults who performed push-up variations had significantly stronger chest, shoulders, and triceps, along with better heart health. Why science recommends push-ups? Push-ups engage the chest, shoulders, arms, and core, all essential for upper body function. Plus, they're weight-bearing, which helps prevent bone loss as you age. Push-ups strengthen your upper body without any equipment, improve posture and joint health, boost circulation and heart function, and make everyday tasks like lifting, reaching, and carrying much easier and more efficient. How to do it? Start with a wall, countertop, or sturdy table hands. Shoulder width apart. Lower your chest toward the surface while keeping your body straight. Inhale as you lower. Exhale as you push back up. Keep elbows at a 45-degree angle from your body. Start with 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps and work your way up. As you get stronger, transition to lower surfaces like a bench or floor. Finally, the plank. A simple hold that engages your entire core like nothing else. According to a study published in Age and Aging, maintaining core strength in later years directly reduces the risk of falls, back pain, and poor posture. Why science stands behind the plank? Your core controls everything from balance and stability to spinal support. Planks activate deep abdominal and back muscles, which often weaken with age, leading to hunched posture and lower back issues. Planks tighten your midsection, strengthen your back to protect the spine, and enhance balance, posture, and overall movement stability. How to do it? Start on your elbows and knees or use a wall for beginners. Keep your back straight and tighten your core. Avoid letting your hips sag. Breathe steadily. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Begin with 2 sets of 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing as your strength improves. Here's the truth. It's never too late. These 3 exercises aren't just movements, they're medicine for your muscles, backed by science and designed by nature to keep you independent, strong, and confident. Even after 60, 70, or 80, your body still listens. You just need to speak to it through movement. So if you're ready to feel stronger than you have in years, start today. And remember, consistency is the secret to reversing age. And let us know in the comments, which of these exercises will you start with today? Stay strong, stay active, because age is just a number, but strength is forever.